When you're just dipping your toes into the ocean that is investing, you want an app that doesn't immediately throw you into the deep end. Robinhood was revolutionary in making stock trading accessible to the masses. The user interface is as intuitive as they come, and beginners won't feel overwhelmed. You can start with small amounts of money, and they don't charge you trading fees, which can nibble away at profits if you aren't careful. But life is about balance, right? So I've got to mention Acorns. It's tailored to people who want to invest but also think they don't have enough to start with. It rounds up your spending to the nearest dollar and invests the difference for you. Before you know it, you've saved a mini fortune. Now for a quick acknowledgement of TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. This is a bit more advanced, but it's like the training wheels of serious investing apps. It's got educational resources that are perfect for beginners, and the interface is a bit more sophisticated, preparing you for the big league. For those who are also eyeing cryptocurrencies, Coinbase is the entry ramp a lot of people use. It's not as detailed as other crypto exchanges, but it's simple, which is exactly what a beginner needs. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The goal isn't to become Gordon Gekko overnight. It's about understanding the markets and gradually building your portfolio. As someone living in Portland, Oregon, where the financial climate can be as varied as our weather, I believe in taking a balanced and educated approach to investing. Don't get too swept up in the green of the trees or the charts. And whatever you do, always do your research. And remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. It's a sound principle that keeps you from betting the farm on what could be a roller coaster ride. Start small, learn the ropes, and watch your confidence and your portfolio grow. Happy investing! For more information, here are a couple of links to get you started. Robinhood, https, robinhood.com, https, robinhood.com. Acorns, https, www.acorns.com, https, www.acorns.com. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim, https, www.tdameritrade.com. Tools and platforms Thinkorswim. Page, https, www.tdameritrade.com. Tools and platforms Thinkorswim page. Coinbase, https, wcoinbase.com, https, wcoinbase.com.